pulled a $1,000 mystery box, and we're gonna open it up and see if I got scammed or if I made some profit. I don't know, the size of this thing is kind of worrying me.
What do you mean by that?
And if you want free bread fours or any pair you see right here, hit that subscribe button, comment, done, and you're in. Alright, let's do it. We gotta open it up. They really taped this thing up good. Yo. I see a Jordan logo. Check it out. Bro, wait, why is the box damaged? Wait a minute. Why is the box damaged already? Bro, it looks like it's already aging. Nah, come on, yo. How you gonna do me like that, bro? Come on, you're supposed to send me brand new shoes. Nah, if you know, you know. Let's check them out. Wait a minute. Yo, the white cement reimagined Jordan 3. Perfect timing because they just released the black cement. What do y'all think? Black cement or white cement? If it's me, I gotta pick the white. Check them out. We got the beige on the back. We got the beige on the outsoles. Such a beautiful Jordan 3. Alright, but for the sake of the mystery box, we got size 8.5, $293 on StockX. So we're looking at about $300 for this pair right here. Now we're still a ways away from 1,000, so hopefully we get there. Not a bad start to the mystery box, though. Would you be upset with a white cement Jordan 3 to start off a $1,000 box? I'll take it. Let's keep going. All right, what do we got next? Yo, I know y'all see that. Logo. Is this what I think it is? No way. I gotta look at these. Look, it's a sleeve that you pull off. Check out the brown box. Are they Travis's? Nah. Look at the word. Let's check these bad boys out, because this is not the new pair. Check these out. Ma Manire Jordan 4. Just look at the beautiful wine colorway on this pair with the beige outsoles again. I am not mad about this pair right here. Definitely a beautiful pair for runner-up on the $1,000 mystery box. Look at the hang tag on these. Talk about a big hang tag. Bro, that's gonna drag on the ground. To the blacked out Nike logo on the back of the pair. To the special message on the heel tab. It's not about the shoes. It's about where you're going. Such a beautiful pair with a beautiful message behind it. We got the flight patch on one tongue and the Ma Manire patch on the other. We got these dope little screws right here with the Ma Manire logo on them that look like screws for a screwdriver. Bruh. Of course, we have our air unit and very high quality nubuck all around the pair. These are actually a size 9 and they're going for anywhere from $270 to $300 right now. So for the sake of our mystery box, that puts us at $600 so far. We can't forget the amazing quality on the interior of this shoe. The insoles have the Ma Manire patch and they're quilted. I mean, come on, bro. When have you seen an insole look like this? Just imagine stepping on that. It's like a foot massage. Not to mention, that is throughout the whole shoe. This is a beautiful pair of shoes, and I'm ecstatic to get this for the second pair. $600. Let's keep going. Here we go. I think it might be just 1 or 2 more pairs in here. I'm not sure. Hold on. There's definitely something else in here. Let's see what we got. It looks like one last pair. What do you think it is? Of course, it's a Jordan. So it looks like we got a triple Jordan mystery box. Do you think it was worth it? It all depends what pair this is right here. Let's see. Yo! The black canvas Jordan 4. Bro, I don't even know what these are at right now. This might have just made it worth it. Check these out. The black canvas Jordan 4. These look just like the M&M Carhartt Jordan 4s. I love the all black to them with the little gray details. This also looks just like the Black Cat Jordan 4, and you already know what that pair's at. $1,000 minimum. I haven't had too many pairs of these in hand, so every time I get a pair, I appreciate it. Look at these, bruh. This is not nubuck like the last pair we just saw. This is actually canvas all over the shoe. That's why it's called the Black Canvas Jordan 4. We got the red Air Jordan on the inside of the tongue. We got the red Flight written on the tongue. Yo, and look at the padding on the inside. I don't know why, but this pair just seems so much more comfortable than the other 4s. Bro, why does it look like these were tied before, yo? Did my boys scam me, yo? Hey, yo, bruh, these are supposed to be brand new. Why are they tied like that? Nah, I don't think Nike ties them like this in the factory, yo. Nah. I never seen a pair of shoes come tied like this before. Y'all let me know down below in the comments if I'm bugging out or if this is really worn before. Y'all think somebody had to tie these to wear them? Yo, hold on. Look at the bottom. Y'all think they were worn or not? Nah, he could have cleaned them. He could have cleaned them. Nah, I don't know. Nah, look at them creases. I think homeboy wore them. What do y'all think? I need help with this one. I don't know if these are brand new or not. That messes up the whole value of them. Nah, but if they are brand new, they're a size 9. Okay. Size 9 is going for $330. Now, that still doesn't put us at our mark. That sits us right at $930 for all 3 pairs of shoes. Wow, I was honestly hoping for some profit, and I bet you guys were too. But this just shows us the brutal reality of what it's actually like to buy a mystery box online. You never know what you're gonna get. You never know what value you're gonna get. And half the time, you don't even know if they're gonna be brand new shoes or not. You have to take that risk and just dish the money out and hope for the best if you want a mystery box. I see a lot of people flipping out about the SneakerCon mystery boxes. Those are complete scams. A lot of those shoes are only $100, nowhere near the $300 mark. At least for these 3 pairs, it could be negotiated what these 3 are worth. Say homeboy didn't use StockX to value them like I did. If he used eBay or GOAT, he could have easily added $50 on per pair, and he could have gotten over $1,000 for his total. As long as it's within the ballpark, I wouldn't call it a scam. But if you're like a third of the value giving someone a $100 shoe when it's supposed to be a $300 mystery box, I don't know. That has scam written all over it to me. But if you get $930 worth of sneakers in a $1,000 mystery box, can you really complain? After all, you did buy a mystery box. And by you, I mean me. I did buy the mystery box. I got 3 pairs of dope shoes. I'm not gonna complain. I might break even if I'm lucky on these 3 pairs. But hey, that's what it's all about. That's why they call it a mystery box. You can't buy a mystery box and expect to make out with a ton of profit. That's like asking people to just give away money. Nonetheless, I have these 3 dope pairs, and all 3 are gonna be going up for sale on my Instagram at rare quality clothing for super cheap prices. Yo, if only these were the M&M Carhartt 4s, that would have set us way over the value. No shade thrown towards the homie unless we really figure out that this pair was worn before. I feel like he might have just tried them on, that's why he tied them. I don't know, I've just never seen a pair come like this from Nike. Definitely a beautiful pair, and if you have this pair, don't let it go because I think it's gonna go up in price. I told you guys how I feel about the mystery box, but I wanna know how you feel. Do you think that I got scammed for only getting a $930 value? Do you think I should have gotten at least $1,000 with some profit on top? What do you think? Or do you think I valued the shoes too low by using StockX? Do you think the shoes could be valued higher if you use sites like eBay, Amazon, etc.? Or if you sell them at a sneaker event? An item is only valued at the most someone will pay for it. So if you could find someone to pay more for the item elsewhere, who knows? It could be worth more elsewhere. They're just not worth that to me. I use a specific few platforms to sell my items, one being Instagram, and I like to hook my customers up, so I sell my items for kind of cheap. That's why this is only a $300 to $330 shoe, when some might call it a $400 shoe. Some might even call it a $500 shoe. Who knows? Nonetheless, I can't complain. We got a decent mystery box. Quick recap, this is what we got. We got the reimagined white cement Jordan 3s, we got the Ma Manire Jordan 4s, and we got the black canvas Jordan 4s. All apparently brand new. If that's the case, we're looking at $930. Not too shabby. We lost 70 bucks. But hey, we got a dope video out of it, right? I do this just for you guys, so if you're watching right now, make sure to hit that thumbs up, make sure to subscribe, and you're gonna get more videos just like this. Who knows, maybe next time I'll look for the worst mystery box I can find online. Christmas is coming up, and I know you need gifts to get people. I have the perfect gift for you to get them. Go to creaseguards.com, and you're gonna find the best sneaker bags out that you can use to carry your sneakers when you travel and not crease them. And if you use code RQC50, you're gonna get half off the bag. This is a crazy price, and any sneakerhead will love this item. Go to creaseguards.com and use my code RQC50, and you're gonna get half off, and you'll love it. Make sure to click this button right here, or I'm gonna cry. And if you like this video, click this video. I think you might like it. Thank you everyone so much for watching. Have a blessed rest of your day, and I will see you all in the next video. Peace!